Ready to ditch those generic product page templates and craft a shopping experience that screams your brand? First, head into your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Products section. Why, it's usually on the left-hand side. Click All Products to see your inventory. Instead of editing an existing product directly, we're going to create a template. Look for a button that says something like Create Product Template or New Template and click it. Now, you're in the Wix Editor. This is where the magic happens. Wix gives you a blank canvas, so let your creativity flow. Start by adding a stunning image of your product. Drag and drop an image element and upload your best shot. Next, drag in a text box element below the image. This is where you'll add your product description, make it engaging, and highlight the key features and benefits. Okay, the most important part, find the Add to Cart button element and drag it onto your page. Make sure it's prominently displayed and easy to find. Now, customize that Add to Cart button to match your brand. Change the color, font, and even the text consistency is key. Don't forget to add other elements like customer reviews, related products, or even a video showcasing your product in action. Once you're happy with your design, save your template and then go back to your products section. You'll need to assign this new template to the specific product or products you want to display with this design. That's it. You've now created a custom product page that not only showcases your product but also elevates your brand. Experiment with different layouts and elements to find what works best for you and your customers.